Good morning, friends. Hello, everyone. Today is Thursday. Say Thursday. Today, my friends, is an extra special day. Do you know why? Because today we get to have another class meeting together where we go on the computers and we get to see and talk to and say hi to your teachers and all your friends. And guess what? Guess what? You want to know a secret? You guys filled up your whole honeybee cup. Can you believe it? So even though we're not in the classroom, you guys have been showing Miss Tasha that you are doing lots of schoolwork at home. You guys are sharing pictures and videos of all of your projects and fun things that you guys are doing with the family and getting outside and exercising and reading. And I have seen you guys do all kinds of amazing fun school things from your house. And I'm pretty sure you guys have been on your super good, awesome behavior. Have you guys been on your good behavior? Have you guys been listening to your mommies and daddies? Have you been using your manners? Have you been cleaning up after yourself and being respectful and listening the first time? Yes? All right, I'm trusting you guys. So I want you guys to be on your super extra awesome best behavior this morning, because guess what? If you guys do a super awesome job at your house, listening the first time, cleaning up, following directions, you guys will earn your ice cream pajama party. So this morning here, in just a little bit, in just a couple hours, if you guys are super awesome, we will all put on our pajamas and get our computers and we'll log in so we can say hi, and Miss Tasha will show you all how to make your very own ice cream. Do you guys want to learn how to make ice cream? So usually when we have our pajama party, Miss Tasha brings ice cream to our school, but I can't come to your house right now. So Miss Tasha is going to show you guys how to make ice cream. Does that sound fun? All right, so you guys have to be on your super awesome best behavior so we can earn our party. Sound good? Pinky promise? All right, super awesome best behavior so we can earn our party. Deal? All right, let's stand up together and say our pledge. Where does our hand go? On our heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Great job, friends. All right, we are still learning all about space. We just finished our star book, so we're going to actually start with another book about space, and this one is called Planets. Say planets. Planets are these little pictures here that you see, and just like Earth, they are large gas giants, large Miss Tasha's trying to think of the word to describe it. They are large pieces of rock or gas or whatever they are made of that float in space. I think the book will do a little bit better job at describing what planets are. So this one is another pretty long book. It has a lot of words and a lot of information, so we're probably going to split this one in half too. I'll read half of it now and then the other half tomorrow. Okay? All right, Pippi's here with us. let's read about planets. Planets. So it says Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and it does say Pluto down here, my friends, but guess what? Pluto is actually not a planet. So our planets are listed right up here. A planet is a mass, oh, here we go. Here's our definition. A planet is a massive body that travels in an orbit or path around a star. Did you hear that, my friends? So that's what a planet is. The planets in our solar system orbit the sun, which is the nearest star. So we talked about our sun in our other book. Our sun is a star, okay? It's the closest one to our planet. Our planet is Earth. Say Earth. Earth is where we live. And it looks like it just said all of these planets orbit or go around our sun. A planet must also have a powerful gravity, say gravity, or pulling force. The planets in our solar system are either terrestrial or gas. Ooh, those are a couple big words. I think we'll learn a little bit more about that. Here's some little fun facts up here. Number of planets, 8. Let's see. Yep. Number of dwarf planets. Oh, there we go. So Pluto is a dwarf planet, 3. Other orbiting objects, moons, asteroids, meteoroids, and comets. So we have a moon. You guys see the moon up in the sky sometimes, huh? Inner planets. The 4 inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. So did you hear that? Earth, say Earth. Earth is where we live. Earth is an inner planet. What is Earth? An inner planet. Ooh, let's read about Mercury. Say Mercury. These are some tricky words, huh, my friends? Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet, and it is closest to the sun. Ooh, so there's Mercury. It's the smallest planet, and it's closest to the sun. Venus, say Venus. Venus is nearly the same size as the Earth. Seen from Earth, Venus is the brightest object in the sky other than the sun and the moon. So this is Venus. It said that Venus is about the same size as Earth. Earth is where we live. Earth is our planet. Ooh, look right here. It says, oh, and back over here, if we go back to Mercury, it says Mercury has no moons. And same thing with Venus. Venus has 0 moons. So you know how we look up in our sky and we see a moon? If you were on Mercury or Venus, if you looked up in the sky, you would see no moons. They have 0 moons. That's crazy. Earth, that's our planet. The Earth is the largest of the 4 inner planets. It is the only planet in the solar system known to support life. So that means that Earth, where we live, is the only planet that in our solar system that we know of that can support life, that people live on. The other planets do not have people living on it. It's only Earth. Ooh, and we have how many moons? How many moons do we have in our sky? 1. Mars, say Mars. Mars is also known as the red planet. What is Mars known as? the red planet. Because its soil contains iron, scientists have searched without success for life on Mars using spaceships and land rovers. Ooh, so we on Earth have sent spaceships to Mars to search for it. Look, I don't know if you can see it. If you look at the picture, see this little robot down here? That's a little robot spaceship that scientists send to Mars to drive around on the planet and check it out and see what kind of rocks, what kind of air, what kind of weather, what kind of everything is on Mars. Ooh, number of moons. So Mars has 2 moons. Show me 2. Mars has 2 moons. So if you were on Mars and you looked up in the sky, you would see 2 moons. Ooh, outer planets. So my friends, let's go back. We just learned about the inner planets. Say inner planets. Okay, there are 4 of them. Who remembers which 4? Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Earth is where who lives? Earth is where we live, okay? Mercury and Venus have no moon. Show me 0. 0 moons. Earth, where we live, has how many moons? 1. And Mars has how many moons? 2. Crazy. And we also just learned that Earth is the only planet that can support life, that has people living on it. Pretty crazy, my friends. We are going to pause right there because we just learned about the inner planets. We're going to continue reading about the outer planets tomorrow. Okay? Does that sound good? All right. So keep all of those facts in your brain. I know we just read a lot, huh? We read a lot of information. It's kind of hard to keep track of, but just try to remember inner planets, 4 inner planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Earth is where we live. We have 1 moon. Mercury and Venus have 0 moons, and Mars has 2 moons. Wow. So we will learn about the other planets tomorrow, okay? Those ones get really exciting and even bigger and more moons. Those ones are extra special and have a lot more information to learn about. Alrighty, friends. Pippi says goodbye. Have a wonderful Thursday. Don't forget our deal. I'm going to find out from your mommies and daddies if you guys have been on your best behavior. That means listening the first time, cleaning up, being respectful. And if we can be super awesome, we get to have our pajama ice cream party. Does that sound like fun? All right, guys, be super awesome, and I will see you shortly for our party. Deal? All right. Bye, guys.